Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to manage your privacy in Soundcloud. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Initially, let's simply hover over to the rightmost section of the nav bar. Right here, you will find these three dots, that is more. Simply click on it. From here, what we need to do is simply go to settings. The button's just above sign out. Once you're in the settings page, well, there are lots of tabs here like account, content, notifications and everything. But right now what we're focusing on is privacy. So I'm gonna click on this privacy tab right here. Once you're in the privacy tab, you can see these settings right here. Now what we're gonna focus on is simply cookies. Right below it, it says something like manage your cookie preferences. And right next to it, open cookie manager. I'm gonna click on this button and this will open up. Just scroll down and as you can see, there are lots of cookies that are enabled. Simply enable or disable the one of your choice. For now, I'm simply gonna disable every one of them. Well, as you can see, I have disabled everything. In case you want to know more information about anything, simply click on this downward arrow right here and you can view more information regarding this. Once you're satisfied with everything, simply hit on confirm my choices. And guys, that's it. That's how you manage your privacy, that is your cookie preferences in SoundCloud. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.